Hi there, welcome to Elementary Atom. Today, we'll use the units inside the base kit to make a cool project. A lighthouse is a building which helps navigate ships and boats safely. Special lenses rotate around the source of light, such as a bulb, so that the light can be seen from a farther distance. Let's create a simple link of atom units using a switch, a motor, and an LED. We don't have lenses, but we have motors which can rotate the LED. That's great. The motor rotates the wheel and the LED glows. Now see what happens when you put everything on the top of the wheel. So, maybe we can use this to build our own lighthouse. Let's get going. This is just one example of building a lighthouse. The LED can be brighter and it can be automatically made to rotate. Can you try to do it?